Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11 and 10 machine. So let's start. Open your favorite browser. I am on Windows Chrome and type here Python. And from the first link, open the official website of the Python and click on downloads. And from here, will have the latest version of Python 3.13.5, and we'll download that. After downloading, go to your downloads folder and then the setup. Use admin privileges to install, yes. Add Python to the path, yes. And click on customize and all this click yes. And also make sure to click this. It will be helpful for all the users. Install Python for all users, okay? And click on install. Click on yes. It will take a little time. So setup was successful. Let's try to check it's installed or not. Open your command prompt. I am on Bash, so you can also use Bash if you want, and you can install by watching video my channel. So let's try. So you can see we have the Python 3.35 on our Windows installed successfully. So it's working fine. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.